Hi, my name is Kelli, also known as the Wiggin' Out Mama. I was in a live today with Daniela, who is the Texas Wig Fairy for the René of Paris Live, and we were doing a reveal of a wig that she had picked out, a surprise wig that she had picked out for me from the Orchid Collection 2020. And we had a really great time in the live, but unfortunately the first part of the live didn't save because of technical difficulties. So I just wanted to share a little bit about myself and what Daniela and I discussed while we were in the live. So my name is, like I said, my name is Kelli. I'm 30 years old. I'm a mother of two, and I started losing my hair when I was 17 years old. I was living a very active lifestyle, and my hair was falling out, and I had also gained about 30 pounds in less than 6 months, and my lifestyle hadn't changed at all. And so my mom and I were very concerned, but the thing I was most concerned about was my hair. And so we went to my dermatologist. At that point, he had told me that I had lost 50% of my hair, and that we needed to start going to see specialists to find out why exactly I was losing my hair. We went to specialists, endocrinologists. I ended up going to the Mayo Clinic. Like, we did a lot of searching to find out what was happening to me, and I got diagnosed with polycystic ovarian syndrome, or PCOS. And so they attributed my hair loss to a side effect of PCOS. And because of that, we just ruled that as the case for my hair loss, and that I was supposed to be living a healthy lifestyle, and that I could use minoxidil, but that would only be a temporary fix. If I wanted to use minoxidil, I would have to use it my entire life, and it can have effects on your reproductive health. And so I used minoxidil for a little bit of time, and then I said, forget this, I'm not gonna use this and risk it affecting my reproductive health, especially when polycystic ovarian syndrome affects your reproductive health anyway. So anyway, years go by, I see dermatologists here and there, same type of thing. I get told that it's probably because of my PCOS, and that there is nothing that I can do, and it's devastating. Like, that's what I get told. Fast forward to last year, 2019, I found the hair loss community within Instagram, and tons of women that were sharing their journeys and that had gone to dermatologists and had asked to have biopsies of their scalp done to get a solid answer of what was happening to them and why their hair loss was happening. And so I went to my dermatologist in 2019 and I asked to have a scalp biopsy done. And so they did the scalp biopsy, and the report came back saying that I have androgenetic alopecia, also known as male pattern baldness or female pattern baldness, essentially where it's in the crown and up in the top of the hair. And so that's what I was diagnosed with at that time. From that point, I had already known that my hair loss was getting worse and worse over the years. From the age of 17 to 2019, I had had 2 kids. And I knew it wasn't just postpartum hair loss, but I knew that I wasn't happy, and I was sad about my hair all the time. So I decided that I was going to start wearing hair, and I visited a wig shop near me, and I tried on a bunch of wigs, but I didn't find a good fit for me until I tried on this wig, which is actually the first wig that I ever bought. This is my René of Paris Ivana and Mochaccino long root. And I picked this wig, and I picked René of Paris as my first wig because the peaks of my hair come out quite a bit, and so but you can see like how far the wig comes up and covers that. But with a lot of other wigs, like, I was only getting coverage to there, and I didn't like that. At the time, I didn't realize that it could be concealed, and I honestly didn't want to have to work at concealing it, so I wanted something that was going to give me as much coverage as possible, which was this piece. So the coverage was the first thing that drew me to Rene of Paris, and then the second thing that I told Daniela that drew me to Rene of Paris were the styles, like the cuts and the, you know, like this cute layered beachy wave. I didn't realize that was something that could be achieved with a synthetic wig. When I went into wig buying, you know, I had been on the Instagram community, so I knew that there were some cute wigs out there. But when I went into the shop, there weren't a lot of variety, but Rene of Paris did have variety, and that drew me to Rene of Paris once again. Then I had the third thing that I told Daniela that I love about Rene of Paris hair is that it comes in a great variety of colors. Like, these colors look like just expensive color jobs. You can get something that looks really natural, or you can get something that's like fun and funky, and I loved that I could find that variety in the same brand, so that I knew that, oh, if I want to buy a blue wig, the cap is going to fit me the same and I'm going to be comfortable in it and that sort of thing. So that is why I really do love Rene of Paris hair, and so I was really excited to be asked to be a part of the live. And this is, you can't see it very well, and that makes it worse. This is the wig that Daniela picked out for me. I'm gonna take off this wig and throw on the wig that she picked out for me, and it is from the Orchid 2020 collection, and this wig that she picked out for me is called Seduction, and the color is in Sun-Kiss, and it's very beautiful. And so I will pull it out and put it on for you guys. So she is 16 inches. I think the back is actually 17 inches, she said. It's a basic cap, so no lace front, you don't need it. She has a fringe, open wefted back, very, very stretchy. That's another thing about Rene of Paris hair. The caps are very comfortable. So, oops, those bangs are getting my way. Okay, so this is color Sun-Kiss. I'm gonna comb those bangs. Push them over a little bit. Start from the bottom. Seduction. This wig is called Seduction. I think it's very clear to see why she is called Seduction. So yeah. This is from the Orchid Collection 2020. This color Sun-Kissed is Sun-Kissed. It's a very golden blonde. It's really beautiful. It's got that brown root that makes it look really natural. With the bangs, I really like the bangs side swept like this. But if you wanted to, you could wear them straight across and cut them for your length. You could split them. The possibilities are endless. But yeah, she is just a beautiful piece. Super long. This is the longest synthetic piece that I've ever had. I'm really excited to try it. I'm really grateful for the opportunity that Daniela and Rene of Paris gave me to be a part of the live and to share my story. And hopefully, if you're out there experiencing something similar, you won't feel so alone. We are here. The wig wearing community, the hair loss community is going strong, and we are here to help and support you. And Rene of Paris is a big part of that. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to check out the Rene of Paris Orchid Collection 2020.